Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the new defocus flare effect to your videos on CapCut. So this is one of the new CapCut effect that you can add as the opening or to the opening of your edits in CapCut. Here you just need to go to the video effect. Find the defocus flare on the opening and closing, this one. So click on the effect. This is what it will look like, but you can always adjust it more. You can adjust the flare here, the amount of the effect. You can also add filter if you want, and the speed. Okay, after that you can just click on a check icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.